With each step you take, you grow stronger and stronger, more and more skilled, more and more self-confident, and more successful. Mark Victor Hansen. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal an idiom. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. Origin of this idiom, bite the bullet. Before the discovery of anesthesia, when soldiers were wounded in battle and had to be treated or undergo surgery, they were to bite on something hard to keep them from screaming out in pain. On the battlefield, what was primarily available was a bullet or a leather strap. Soldiers bit the bullet to be able to endure the pain of surgery without anesthesia. This is how this idiom, bite the bullet, came into usage. So, what is the meaning of the idiom, bite the bullet? It means to do something unpleasant or painful because it is necessary even though you would like to avoid it. To force yourself to do something unpleasant or difficult. To endure a painful experience that you cannot avoid. To make yourself endure something unpleasant or painful. To be brave and face a difficult situation. To avoid showing fear or discomfort in an unpleasant situation. So, bite the bullet means enduring a painful situation which cannot be avoided. Look at the example sentence. The old couple planned to bite the bullet and sell their land and move to the city. It means the old couple endured a painful experience of selling their land and moved to the city. My mother hates going to the dentist, but she will just have to bite the bullet. It means my mother hates going to the dentist, but she will become brave and face the difficult situation. And the last sentence, the boy decided to bite the bullet and clean the rooms so that they could go to the park. So, bite the bullet means to force yourself to do something unpleasant or difficult, or to be brave and face a difficult situation. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.